Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Moses Kitchen. Today, I'm making a seasoning, a Fajita seasoning, a beautiful seasoning. Don't waste time, let's move on to the video, Moses Kitchen. Onto a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, half tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. Everything onto a bowl. Combine well. If there is any lumps, make sure you crush it and you will get a smooth powder like this. You can store this powder on an airtight container for a longer shelf life. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried it? And what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.